Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely beret. I really like the results very much and I love this yarn. It's Dream Ombre from Utopia Crafts. It's a acrylic and wool blend. One ball is 150 grams and 280 meters. Recommends 5-6 millimeter hook. I used 5 millimeter. And I really like this color change. There is a little bit here, a little bit somewhere there, here, you see, but it looks fabulous with this way too, and it's so easy to work with this yarn. Hope you like the results too. For this I use 60 grams of yarn, so with one ball you can make two and maybe gift one of them to your best friend or your mom. I'm gonna give this to my mom. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. You can find the link below. We can start now. We will start with a magic ring. Just hold the yarn, wrap it around your fingers, and wrap it one more time, but this time make a kind of cross and hold the yarn with your little finger. Insert the hook under this first strand, grab the second strand. Make a twist. Grab the second strand again and make a chain. That's our ring. If you're a starter, you can start with 4 chains. Make 4 chains and join from this first chain and work into this ring. But try this too. Maybe at first you cannot make it, but 1 or 2 tries later you will be easily make it, and it looks better. Chain 2, and do not count these 2 chains as anything. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, oops, sorry. I used the wrong hook and I have sugars. I couldn't find the hook. Yes, I found the hook on my pocket. But sugars look good too. Yarn over, pull through 2. I'm gonna show you one more time. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We made 2. We are gonna make 10 more. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 double crochets. Just close the ring tightly. Now insert from this first stitch. Put the tail on the top of your hook. You're gonna hide it. Grab the yarn, pull through. Chain 2. We will never count this chain 2 as anything. Into this first stitch, we will put 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Into the next, put 2 double crochets. And for this row, we will put 2 double crochets into each stitch. And in the end, you will have 24 double crochets. I'm making the last one. Insert from this first stitch and join with the slip stitch. Chain 2. Starting from here, we are gonna use front post double crochets. How to make them? Yarn over, skip these 2 chains. That's our first stitch, first double crochet post. Insert around this post. From the front, go to the back and front again. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Into this next stitch, we will make 1 more. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Now, into this next 2 stitches, we will put 2 double crochets for each stitch. 1, 2 into the first, 1 and 2 into the next. So we have 2 front posts, 4 regular double crochets. Now we are gonna make 2 front posts again. 1, 2. Then make 2 increases. 2, 2 doubles. 2 front post double crochets. Be careful, we use this stitch, so we use this post too. That's the next one. We are gonna put 2 front post double crochets, then 2 increases. Repeat this till the end. I make the last one, insert from this first stitch and join with a slip stitch. Chain 2. Now we will always keep these 2 front post double crochets. Okay, make 2 front post double crochets. Then we are gonna make increases while we are making this part between these 2 front posts. We will make first increase into this first stitch, and into the last we will make our last increase, second increase. Into this first stitch, put 2 double crochets. Then make 1 and 1 double crochets. Into the last stitch, put 2 double crochets. Make 2 front posts. An increase. 2 doubles in a row. 1, 2, and increase. Repeat this till the end. Join from this first stitch, chain 2, make 2 front post double crochets. Now I have 6 double crochets here. I'm gonna put 2 into this first one, 2 into this last one. Make 4 doubles in a row. and an increase. Now I have 8. Each time you will have 2 more stitches each for each row. Make the front post. And that's our repeat. Just keep making. I'm gonna turn back in a second and give you the measurements. I made totally 9 rows. Row counts is not important. Important thing is measurements. So it's 9.5 inches long, 24 centimeters long. If you want to make it for a child, you can make 20 centimeters. For a smaller size, maybe 18 centimeters. That's good for an adult. Between these two front post double crochets, I have 16. Let me count. Yes, 16. Now for this row, I will not make any increases. For only this row, make 2 front post double crochets, then put 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Keep your numbers, it's 16 for me. I still haven't eaten the sugars. Candies. It's candy, isn't it? Two front post double crochets. Repeat this till the end. Chain 2. Make 2 front post double crochets. Starting from here, we are gonna make decreases. How to make it? Yarn over, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. Don't complete this double crochet. Insert into the next one, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. That's our first decrease. We are gonna make 1 more when we reach here. Make your double crochets till you reach the last 2. Eleven, 12. Now we will make 1 more decrease. Insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 3. And make 2 front post double crochets. Meet you at the end. I'm making the last decrease. Join. Make 2 front post double crochets. Again, we are gonna make the decrease. That's the first stitch. Pull through 2. Next, pull through 2. Complete them together. Then make 10 double crochets. and a decrease, two front post double crochets, and we are gonna repeat this for a few more rows. I made 5 rows with decreases, and I have 6 double crochets in between these two front posts. Now we are gonna make the brim. Chain 2, make 2 double crochets, and we will make we made 2 front post double crochets. Now we are gonna make 2 back post double crochets. Yarn over, count this as 1 post. Okay. Insert your hook from back to the front and around this post. Give it to the back again. Grab the yarn, pull it, pull through 2, pull through 2. We will make it one more time. Two front posts, two back posts, two front posts, two back posts. Repeat this till the end. I'm at the end of the row. I made 2 back post double crochets, join, chain 2, make 2 front posts, 2 back posts, 2 front posts, 2 back posts, and we will repeat this for one more row. Complete this row, then make one more row, then we are gonna finish. I told you that I will make 3 rows, but I made 2 because with the row 3 it will be hard to wear it. 2 rows will be enough. So I cut the yarn. I'm gonna hide this tail. That's my hair. I tried. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.